Hey guys, we're Destiny
and Elizabeth.
and we purchased a Ram Promaster 2500 Highroof 159 wheelbase. The reason why we purchased this build was because we went out to different dealerships. We kind of got a feel for it. We do recommend that prior to building. Go inside vans, check them out, test drive them. We went in different models. The Transit to us, the Ford Transit was a little too narrow. We like that this build is more boxy and bigger and
wide.
Yeah, so this is why we went with this gal.
This is Coco.
This is Coco, the Journey van. We bought her in August of last year, of 2021. We shopped for about 6 months, and then one day, spur of the moment, we're like, let's take our deposit and see if we find a van. And we drove off with the van and left our SUV behind.
Took us about 7 months to build. We did it all of ourselves. We have no experience. She is now an electrician, like I like to call her, and I'm an interior designer now.
Yep.
And we moved in about 3 weeks ago, and we still have a few little nicks and crannies, like our water is not fully functional, but here's our home.
Both of us with a golden retriever, a Shih Tzu, and we do have a cat in our van that probably will not come out, but it is a family of 5.
So this is our kitchen. We have a little bar area to where we can place drinks when we're hanging out outside, or if we're in here we can like use as extra cooking space. We have our little stovetop, our oven. We have pots and pans here, and we have 2 dogs like we said, so I made this cute little dog bowl so it's easy accessible to feed them with. And then we have pantry here, our beautiful sink that we love. Like I said, no water, not yet, and a little soap dispenser. And here's the rest of our kitchen here, countertop space. I think it's enough for us. It's just 2 of us. We have a fridge here. It's just a regular Whirlpool fridge, but we get a lot to store. And we're able to run that because we have 400 watts of solar and 3,000 watt inverter. Yeah. So we have a lot pulling in. We made a pantry here that pulls out and stores all of our food. And right here, this little thing was a part of our door, but it didn't fit because our sink is so big. We had to make a little pull-out drawer. And then we have all of our spices because we are vegan, so we cook a lot and wanted to make it very cute and homey. Something that we have, a little basket here. And we made another pantry because lots of food, utensils here and there. And that's pretty much all we have there. This is extended kitchen, just cookware here. More storage there, and then this is some of our food. It's not very organized, but that's what we have here in our kitchen, and then this is kind of like our living room.
An additional 4 seats. One pointer that we do give, it was one of the best advice we can get from a current van lifer, is make your van the way that you do your daily life. So when we had an apartment, we love hosting, we love to have people over, hang out, so we prioritized a kitchen and seating. Now with our seating, we can sit 5 comfortably right here.
Maybe
on top
6.
We've had 5
if we're really close.
Yeah, and then realistically, if we have any close friends, they could chill on our bed too. So this is why we kind of went with this layout. We did change our layout plenty of times, so that may happen. Don't beat yourself up.
Yeah.
Down here, we do have our cat. He won't come out, but he does have a little kitty door down here. There is an access back door that he can go to the bathroom, which we have a litter box where we can access it through the garage, which is super helpful because we don't get the litter everywhere in our van. Oliver makes his mess in Oliver's room, and that's it. Yeah. We use this for our toiletries, such as like hair products, toothbrush, things like that, and we have 2 cabinets for clothes. Unfortunately, we tried to downsize and we still have too many shoes, so this whole seat is filled with shoes. And I think
we can show you our toilet
in here. Yes, we do have a toilet in here. It's a cassette toilet.
And then I guess we can take you back to the garage and talk a little bit more about our messy garage and the electrical.
So out here is our garage. It's kind of messy, but we do have our weights on this side. Our laundry is on the left portion. We have these compartments. These are another recommendation that we had is get containers with lids and label them to kind of be a little bit more organized. We do have a Jackery 500. We do use this just in case, pretty much like an emergency backup for our electrical. We have had electrical issues, so it is nice to have this just in case to at least run our DC portion of our electrical. Now, speaking about the electrical, we do have Renogy. We have 400 watt solar. We have 4 100 watt solar panels. We have the Lynx distributor. We have a battery charger, which is a 60 amp. We have a 3000 watt inverter. And what else do we have? We have two 100 amp lithium batteries. We do plan on getting 2 more, but so far within the 3 weeks that we've lived in it, 2 batteries have done fine. We do have 3 different ways of charging our batteries. We have our solar, we have the battery charger, so we could charge while we're driving, which we recommend. And our third option is shore power, just in case of any emergency that we can't get any sun or drive, we could just plug in somewhere. So at least we do have those 3 options. On the top, we do have our 4 solar panels. We have 2 max air fans, which you can see right here. And then we do have a skylight, which you can kind of hop up and access our deck that's on the top also. We do use the collapsible ladder currently just to climb up there before we get a ladder, but we do have a deck so we could chill up there, which has been very nice. We've already gone to a couple van events. It is fun and another place to hang out when you meet friends and family and things like that, to hang out up there. So we do recommend a deck, and I think that's it.
So if you guys want to follow us on our journey, we are going to plan to see all 50 states around the United States. You can follow us at Choose the Path You Take on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok.
Sweet. All along.